Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this pastel base and tips nail art. And I'm using the shades from the latest collaboration between OPI Philippines and Posh Nails. I'm applying the shade Don't 2 to my flute on the tip of my thumbnail. Then as for the base, I'm using Mod About You. Then I'm using the touch-up brush and Next Please Nail Polish Remover by Posh Nails to make it look cleaner. Then I'm doing a second coat. Then I'm using a thin brush to paint the hard to reach areas. Then I'm using the touch-up brush and Next Please Nail Polish Remover again. After that, I did it to the rest of my nails. And now it's time for top coat. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!